Every spring, tornadoes, floods, and severe storms disrupt daily life, leaving families scrambling to react at the last minute. These natural disasters can strike with little warning, turning a normal day into a stressful scramble for safety and supplies. But here's the good news. You don't need a bunker, a huge basement, or a big budget to be prepared for what's coming. Just 17 practical items, most of which cost less than a single meal out, can make a huge difference in your family's safety and comfort when spring weather hits. These are things you can find at your local store or even online without breaking the bank. Remember January 2026? Winter Storm Fern left over 850,000 homes without power across the South and Midwest, plunging entire neighborhoods into darkness and cold for days. Families had to shelter in warming centers, and large parts of Tennessee and Mississippi were left in the dark for days, relying on community support and emergency services. These kinds of disruptions are becoming more common every year, so it's smart to get ahead of the curve and prepare now before the next storm hits. This checklist is practical, based on real emergencies, and free of hype or fear-mongering. Each item has been tested and proven useful when it matters most. Let's break it down together so you can feel confident, calm, and ready, no matter what comes your way this spring. Preparation doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just takes a little planning and the right tools. Water is the one thing you can't improvise. When disaster strikes, you can't just hope water will be there when you need it. It's not like food or other supplies. You can't stretch it or make do without. When the taps go dry, you'll realize just how quickly your daily routines grind to a halt. Most people stash a case or two of bottled water, thinking it's enough to get by in an emergency. But that's barely enough for a couple of days, especially if you have a family or pets to care for. Emergencies often last longer than you expect. Water disappears fast for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and even basic hygiene. That's why you need to think bigger. Use larger, food-grade containers and store them in cool, dark places to keep your water fresh and safe. Mark the date you filled them so you always know how old your supply is. Rotate your water every 6 months. Set a reminder so you never forget. Water is your first line of defense in any crisis. Getting it right is easier and cheaper than you think, and it brings real peace of mind. The Sawyer Mini Water Filter is a game changer for anyone who wants to be prepared. For just about $20, it transforms almost any freshwater source, like rivers, lakes, or even questionable tap water, into safe, drinkable water. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, this tiny device can make all the difference. It's incredibly small and lightweight, weighing just a couple of ounces, so you'll barely notice it in your pack. Despite its size, it's powerful enough to filter up to 100,000 gallons of water, far more than most people will ever need in a lifetime. That's a huge amount of clean water from such a compact tool. When your stored water runs out during a power outage or emergency, you'll need a reliable backup plan. The Sawyer Mini steps in when bottled water is gone and taps run dry, giving you options when you need them most. Using it is simple. Just attach it to a pouch or a standard water bottle. Squeeze the water through and drink. You can even use it as a straw directly from the source, making it versatile for any situation. Buy it once, toss it in your go bag, emergency kit, or glove compartment, and forget about it until you need it. Its maintenance is minimal, and it's always ready to go when you are. For the cost of just a few cups of coffee, you get lasting peace of mind and a reliable way to keep your family safe and hydrated no matter what happens. The rule is 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. A week is better. That covers drinking, basic cooking, and hygiene. Don't forget pets. Build your supply over time, even if space is tight. Stash smaller bottles in closets or under beds. Even a few extra gallons can buy you critical time. Each jug adds another layer of safety for your family. Filters can clog, break, or get lost. So a backup portable water filter is essential. Even a basic model gives you peace of mind if your primary one fails. Emergencies are stressful enough without improvising clean water. If you help neighbors or family, a second filter means you can share safely. They're small, lightweight, and you'll never regret having an extra. When the power goes out, so do ATMs and card readers. That's why cash, especially in small bills, is still critical. In an emergency, it's easier to pay for gas, food, or supplies if you have 5s, 10s, and 20s. You don't need a fortune, just enough for a week's basics. Keep your emergency cash somewhere safe but accessible. A small envelope in your kit or with important documents works well. Picture this: the power's out, and you need groceries or gas, but the card system is down. I've seen this happen. It catches people off guard every time. Cash in small bills lets you pay for what you need without overpaying. It's the same at farmers markets or roadside stands. When digital payments are down, cash is king. Even $50 or $100 can make all the difference. Emergencies don't pause for prescriptions or health needs. Always keep at least a week's supply of any prescription and over-the-counter meds you rely on. Store them in a waterproof container, check expiration dates regularly, and don't forget your pet's medications too. If your emergency food includes cans, you need a manual can opener, not electric, just a basic, sturdy opener you can use in the dark. People often forget this tool, but it's essential. Test it occasionally and consider a backup. No batteries, no learning curve. Just twist and eat. Food storage doesn't have to break the bank. Start with what you already eat. Add a few extra cans or dry goods each week. Buy in bulk when you can. Focus on foods that last without refrigeration. Rice, beans, pasta, and canned veggies are affordable and versatile. Store them in airtight containers or bins to keep out pests. A little bit each week adds up fast. Shelf-stable foods last for months or years. Think canned soups, beans, pasta, rice, peanut butter, and granola bars. Rotate these foods into your regular meals so nothing goes to waste. Mark use-by dates and eat the oldest first. Don't forget comfort foods: chocolate, instant coffee, spices. Your shelf-stable food is your safety net for storms in everyday life. Sometimes you just can't cook, so keep no-cook meals on hand. Think canned tuna, beans, fruit cups, protein bars, crackers, and applesauce. These are perfect for grab-and-go or sheltering unexpectedly. No-cook meals are great for both big disasters and minor outages. When the lights go out, a reliable flashlight or headlamp is essential. Modern LED models are bright, efficient, and last for hours. Keep one in every major room, plus extras in your kit and car. Headlamps are great for hands-free tasks. Check your lights regularly so you know they work. Your gear is only as good as its batteries. Stock up on extras for flashlights, radios, and medical equipment. Store them in a cool, dry place and rotate every few months. Rechargeables are great, but have disposables as backup. Phones are your flashlight, weather radio, and emergency wallet. When the power's out, a good power bank is a lifesaver. Look for one that can recharge your phone several times. Keep it charged, and don't forget the right cables. Staying connected means you can get updates and call for help. Every emergency kit needs a first aid kit. It doesn't have to be fancy. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, tweezers, scissors, and tape. Add personal medications and allergy treatments. Check and replenish your kit every few months. A good first aid kit helps you handle minor injuries and stay calm. In a crisis, clear thinking is tough, so have a written emergency plan. Include phone numbers, meeting spots, evacuation routes, and contacts. Print a copy for each family member and keep one in your kit. Practice your plan once or twice a year. The most important item is community. It costs nothing. Knowing your neighbors and building a support network is the best prep. During Winter Storm Fern, neighbors shared generators, food, and warmth. Start small. Say hi, share plans, offer help. Even a group text can make a huge difference. Preparedness is about people, not just stuff. Whether you're in an apartment, on a budget, or just starting, this video meets you where you are. The point isn't perfection, it's progress. Every item and conversation gets you closer to being ready. Most essentials cost less than a meal out. Build your kit over time. Start with the basics: water, food, light, and a plan. There's a whole community out there, neighbors, friends, and family, ready to help.